Hi, this is Chris Schmidt with Coldwell Banker in Houston. Hey, I want to introduce you to one of my newest listings. It is 9310 Val Verde Street in Houston, 77063. Come on inside and I'll give you a tour around. All right, as you walk in the front door off to the right, you have this lovely dining space with plenty of room for a seating chair as well as the dining table, which is then also open to the living room with a gas log fireplace. And then as you continue over here, you get your little breakfast area, and it opens up into the kitchen, which has all new cabinets, all new stainless appliances, and stainless vent hood, which opens up into the living room here. Let's take a look back at the bedrooms and bathrooms here. So as you enter the hallway here, off to the right, you get your guest bath with shower and tub. Guess I probably should have opened this up before I invited you in, but here you go. Nice soaking tub and shower. Off to the left here, there's a little laundry room, but first guest bedroom. Plenty of room for a queen-size bed and some furniture. Got a large armoire in here and a nice window outside. Oh, can't forget about the closet space. Good sized closets in this house as well, even though this one's full. But there's plenty of room for it in here. All right, continuing down the hallway, have guest room number 2. Also with a queen-size bed and extra furniture. All of these rooms are really good sized in this house. And then down towards the end of the hallway here is what is currently being used as an office, but it would be bedroom number 4, guest bedroom number 3. Also closet here on the left, but plenty of room for all your furniture, guests, whatever you might need. And then as we head back up all the hallway, we have the master here. As you can see, very large master bedroom. Got a 4-poster bed and lots of furniture in here, so you can tell there's a lot of space in this house. Let me walk over here and we'll take a look at the master bath. Sorry if I'm going too fast. All right, the master bath with a shower. Again, all new cabinets, solid surface countertops, very nicely appointed, just absolutely beautiful bathrooms in this house. Well, that's the tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. Again, Chris Schmidt with Coldwell Banker, 713-226-9427.